Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're going to take a virtual trip to the picturesque summer side of Prince Edward Island. This stunning location is a must-visit for anyone looking to immerse themselves in the beauty of nature. Prince Edward Island, also known as Pay, is a province in Canada's Atlantic region. It's the smallest province in Canada, but it's packed with breathtaking landscapes and charming towns. The summer side of Pay, specifically, is known for its pristine beaches, lush forests, and quaint fishing villages. Driving along the summer side of Pay, you'll be treated to stunning views of the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The coastline here is dotted with picturesque lighthouses, while the beaches are perfect for a relaxing stroll or a picnic. As you continue your drive, you'll come across the charming fishing villages of St. Peter's, St. Bernard's, and St. Mary's. These quaint towns are perfect for a leisurely lunch or a spot of shopping. If you're a fan of golf, you'll be delighted to know that Pay is home to some of the best golf courses in the world. The links at Crowbush Cove and the Dunes Golf Club are two of the most renowned courses in the area. So, if you're planning a trip to Canada, be sure to include Prince Edward Island and its stunning summer side on your itinerary. Thanks for joining us on this virtual adventure. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting travel destinations.